Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Emma app subscription and bill tracking features. The straight answer to whether Emma tracks subscriptions and bills is yes, it does, and it does it very well. Emma is a money management and budgeting app designed to help you take control of your finances, and tracking recurring payments is one of its core functionalities. Automatic detection and organization. Emma automatically scans your linked bank accounts and credit cards to identify recurring payments. It uses smart technology to flag transactions that look like subscriptions, like Netflix, Spotify, or gym memberships, as well as regular bills, such as rent, utilities, and phone contracts. This automated process is a massive time saver. You don't have to manually input every single service you pay for. Once detected, Emma lists them all in a dedicated section of the app. Subscription management. The subscription manager gives you a clear, consolidated view of all your recurring expenses. First, it highlights the total monthly cost of your subscriptions. This simple number can be a real eye-opener, showing you exactly how much money is leaving your account on a recurring basis. Second, for each subscription, Emma displays key information like the renewal date and the amount paid. This is crucial for avoiding unwanted charges. If you've signed up for a free trial, Emma can remind you when it's about to end, giving you the chance to cancel before you're charged. Third, it helps you identify and cancel services you no longer use. The app makes it easy to spot dead-weight subscriptions, those you forgot you were paying for. It even offers tools and guidance within the app on how to cancel them, helping you save money instantly. Bill tracking and financial health. Beyond subscriptions, Emma also tracks your regular bills. By monitoring these, the app provides a cash flow forecast, which predicts how your balance will change over the next month based on your upcoming income and bills. This helps you avoid overdrafts and manage your budget more effectively. In summary, Emma doesn't just track your recurring payments, it gives you the visibility and control needed to actively manage them. It transforms those hidden, often forgotten monthly charges into actionable data, empowering you to cut costs and improve your financial health. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.